Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Mizanish and you're watching English Corner 796. Friends, today we're gonna learn short English sentences. और ये ऐसे sentences हैं जिनको सीखने के बाद आप दूसरों के साथ easily conversation कर सकते हैं. अगर आप sentences सीखना चाहते हैं then must watch full video. So let's start today's lesson. उसने मेरी जेब कुतर ली. He picked my pocket. He picked my pocket. जेब कुतरने को बोलेंगे picked my pocket. वो अपने वादे का पक्का है. He is a man of his word. आओ मजे करें. Let's make merry. Let's make merry. लड़की अपने बाल संवार रही है. The girl is doing her hair. The girl is doing her hair. उसे जमानत पर रिहा कर दिया गया. He was bailed out. जमानत की इंग्लिश होती है bail. He was bailed out. वो इतनी उम्र का नजर तो नहीं आता. He doesn't look his age. He doesn't look his age. मेहमानों को अंदर ले आओ. Show the guest in. Show the guest in. मेरा तो उसके बगैर गुजारा नहीं. I cannot do without him. Or I cannot do anything without him. उसने दाढ़ी रख ली है. He keeps beard. He keeps beard. मैं हक्का बक्का रह गई. I was taken aback. I was taken aback. मुंह हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands and face. Wash your hands and face. मैं जोश में आ गई या मैं पुरजोश हो गई. I got excited. उसने मुझे कोनी मारी. He nudged me. He nudged me. कोनी मारना को इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे nudged. He nudged me. मैं ये उसके मुंह पर कह दूंगी. I shall say this to his face. I shall say this to his face. ये किस चीज का बना है? What is this made of? What is this made of? मुझे ये कहते हुए शर्म आती है. I blush to say this. I blush to say it. यहाँ थूकना मना है. Spitting here is prohibited. Spitting here is prohibited. मना करना यानी कि prohibited. और spit का मतलब होता है थूकना. Spitting here is prohibited. ये कोई हंसी की बात नहीं है. It's not a thing to laugh at. It's not a thing to laugh at. किसी चीज से गंदी बदबू आ रही है. Something smells bad. Something smells bad. मुझे इस बारे में थोड़ा पता है. I know a bit about it. I know a bit about it. कहीं नजर ना लगे. टच वुड. टच वुड. क्या मुसीबत है. What the heck. What the heck. चालाक मत बनो. चालाक मत बनो. तुम डरपोक हो. तुम डरपोक हो. Translate these two sentences into English and write in comment box. This is it for today. Inshallah, we will meet soon with a new topic. Stay connected. Keep learning. Don't go without subscribing. Like, share and comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.